Hi friends, Dr. Sumana here again from JSS Medical College and Hospital, JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research, Mysuru. In today's short video, I'll be teaching you the 7 steps of hand hygiene as per the WHO protocol. Now, why am I putting this hand hygiene in antimicrobial stewardship? Maybe the question that has arisen in your mind. See, good hands, clean hands can prevent a lot of infections. Infections prevented, infections avoided will prevent the use of antimicrobials. So that's why hand hygiene is the most important step when we are implementing antimicrobial stewardship. Now, I'll be taking you through a simple poem which covers all the 7 steps of hand hygiene as per WHO protocol. Now, first and foremost, I'll be explaining to you with the poem, and later I'll tell you the complete poem without the break. Now, here I go. 1, 2, hands are 2. 3, 4, hand rub pour or soap water pour, whatever is there. Then 5, 6, rub to lux, the back of the hands, palm to palm, and on both the sides of the palm, the back of the palm should be scrubbed very well so that the transient flora of the skin in the hand should be removed. That's why I said rub to lux. Lux is the unit of brightness. So you should rub it in such a way that it will get the brightness. So that will ensure the removal of the transient flora of the skin. Then 7, 8, hands go tight. What do I mean by hands go tight? See, the web spaces have the organisms. So normally we neglect the web spaces. So we need to interlock our fingers. So it says 7, 8, hands go tight on both the sides and palm to palm. The web spaces should be cleaned. Then 9, 10, thumbs then. So thumbs again, while washing the hand we neglect. So 9, 10, thumbs again in the rotatory movement, you must clean your thumb. Then 11, 12, nail beds dwell. The hand rub is here or soap and water is here. You should do this rotatory movement so that whatever organisms are there in the nail beds should be removed. So 11, 12, nail beds dwell. Dwell in the sense the antiseptic or the hand rub that we use should get into the nail beds. So 11, 12, nail beds 12. Then 13, 14, wrists to clean. So you must clean your wrist properly. So 13, 14, wrists to clean. 1 to 14, hands go clean and all the bugs go unseen. So these are the 7 steps of hand hygiene. Without the explanation, I'll repeat again. 1, 2, hands are 2. 3, 4, hand rub pour or soap water pour. 5, 6, rub to lux. 7, 8, hands go tight. 9, 10, thumbs then. 11, 12, nail beds dwell. 13, 14, wrists to clean. 1 to 14, hands go clean and all the bugs go unseen. Thank you.